Fans could almost sense the eerie stillness that resulted from Blake Shelton and Gwen Stefani's absence from the 2025 CMA Awards. The kind of quietness that is not accidental. Even in the noisiest settings, these two have always added their own warmth, and as soon as people realized they were missing, the atmosphere changed. It wasn't a letdown, it wasn't perplexity. Everyone paused to consider what was going on behind the scenes because it was something more profound. Blake and Gwen were the couple that everyone grins at for years. Two damaged hearts that found solace in one another were the unexpected union that somehow felt right. Blake once remarked that when things became too difficult, Gwen made life feel lighter. Gwen frequently talked about how being with Blake was like being understood without having to say anything. Fans seems to cling to those remarks to make sense of the silence that surrounds them, making those previous times feel heavier now. It didn't feel casual for them to be at home on one of the greatest nights in country music. Blake had every reason to be there, a significant nomination, a significant partnership, and an occasion that ought to have been commemorated with loud cheers and flashing cameras. Not only did he not attend the performance, but he also avoided making even the slightest appearance. Gwen, who generally encourages him with a kind demeanor and cheerful smile, was also nowhere to be found. And hearts naturally start to worry when two people who were once inseparable abruptly vanish from a night that defines their industry. Some claim that they were just overburdened and torn apart by their hectic schedules, new projects, and the pressure that comes with being a successful musician. Others murmur that they've been pursuing their individual creative storms on separate routes for several months. Even though those explanations may be accurate, supporters are unable to get rid of the emotional burden in the air. It appears something unsaid is taking place in silence, behind locked doors, far from the bright lights that once so effortlessly grabbed their heart. The truth is, the couple haven't said a word. Nothing to say, not a post, not a single second of comfort that everything is alright. The mystery is heightened by the quiet because at least in the past, Blake and Gwen weren't the kind to hide behind walls. They used to show up together, grin together, and confront music together. They appear to be living in their own personal storm at this point, with the outside world merely observing the clouds building. Supporters are hoping that this is only a fleeting period, a little stop along the way. However, their absence will continue to feel like an unfinished story until the couple reappears hand in hand. An unfinished chapter, a query awaiting response. For now, the only thing that individuals can do is wait. Wait for a picture, a moment, or even a single statement that will ultimately make their loved ones happy. Thanks for watching CNET News. Stay tuned for more updates and stories from around the world. See you next time.